Hi, welcome back to my channel. Riddle here, and I wanted to do a short narration on why grow your own food. You know, when you put in a raised bed or you do a garden, initially it seems like the costs outweigh the what you get. So it's a slow process, like anything in life, to perfect something and to maximize its efficiency. Even a business, you know, it takes generally 7 years before a business is solid and actually turning a profit. So if you look at your garden as your life investment, as your health investment, you will be a little more forgiving and a little more understanding of the process, both the process of learning and self-education and the process of investing to get your soil perfect, to get your variations of different varieties and fruits and vegetables that grow best in your garden and in your area and in your zone. Gardening is also a teacher about everything that you can imagine, every life lesson you will encounter while trying to discipline yourself in the art of gardening. And why is it an art? Because it takes a massive amount of sensitivity, empathy, and intelligence. It's constant problem solving, and it's constant adaptation, and it's great for the brain, and it's great for the body because it's physical exercise, and it gets you out into the sun and into the air. One more thing, you know, there's billionaires that don't have the luxury of living food. Now, there's a big difference between fresh food and living food. And if you're growing your food, that is the way we're supposed to eat food every day. As long as I can remember, from 19 years old on, somehow I always managed to have a garden or something growing fresh in any apartment or any house I ever rented. And the reason is we were meant to walk around and pick things and eat them while the cells were still alive. Because believe it or not, even expensive organic fresh food at the market can be somewhat nutritionally void. Do you know why? Because after they cut the vegetables, they're trucked out and then they're put under lights. The plant has no source of nutrition, so it literally continues to photosynthesize under those lights in the stores or any light it's exposed to, and cannibalizes its own cells. So the longer it sits under the lights, the least nutrition you're going to have in that vegetable, versus picking it fresh from your garden. And I really believe that eating living food on a daily basis heals the body and reverses age. Now, I don't want to be vain or anything, but I turned 53 this year, 53. And on a good day, you wouldn't believe it. And I attribute all this to doing nothing but eating what I grow. So that's it. Invest in a garden. Invest in yourself. Another thing, if you know someone who can keep plants alive and keep a garden flourishing, you want them to be your friend because those are nurturing people. And when you discipline yourself to master a garden, to become a master gardener, you will also learn to master life, master relationships, problem solving. I'm going to go back to that again. Grow a garden. Teach your kids how to grow their own food. It connects you to things and gives you thinking time and gives you exercise, commitment, and nourishes you on so many different levels. I can't drive home the point enough. Go grow something. All right, take care of each other.